First grade, welcome to Tuesday. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well today. Today for your math meeting, you'll need out your math worksheet, your math meeting worksheet that is, and you will also need out your pencil. You can go ahead and write lesson 47. We're on the second day of calendar for this week, lesson 47, and I'll turn this a little bit so you can see this better as well. It's November 17th, 2020 today, November 17th, 2020. Okay. We're going to go ahead and we're going to get started right away today. So, today we are actually going to start with some counting. So, we're going to start with 491, and today we're counting by ones. I'm going to start, and then I'm going to be having you continue on. So, here we go. 491, 492, 493, 494, 495, 496. Can you do the next four? Go ahead. You do the next four. All right, let's check them. After 496 comes 497, 498, 499. Now here's the big one. See, we got to 99 here. That means there's no more tens and ones. So I have to change the hundreds. I have to go up one more. So I'm at 500. 501, 502, 503, 'Your turn. Let's check it. 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509. And what comes after 509? Well, after 9 comes 10, right? So put a 5 in front of it. 510. Last row. This is important for you to be able to do this. Make sure you're doing this with me. 511, 512, 513, 514, 515, 516, 517, 518, 519, and what goes on the end here? 520. All right? Good job. Let's take a look at our clock today. What time is on my clock? You can see that my minute hand is down at the half past with the 30, and my hour hand is between the 6 and the 7. Remember that means that it needs to go with the smaller of the hours, the earlier time. So it's half past 6, right? And the other way to say half past 6 is 6:30. What time will it be 1 hour from now? If it's 6:30 now, what time will it be 1 hour from now? Well, I would take my minute hand and it needs to make one full circle around my clock. That's only a half a way around. Now it's made a full circle around. So what time will it be an hour from now? Well, now instead of 6:30, it's 7:30. It's in between the 7 and the 8, isn't it? So it's 7:30. So on your time, can you please make your digital time say 7:30? Yeah. I want to try to give you a little bit of time to write it down yourself. So don't wait for me. If I ask you to write something down, go ahead and write it down. Because the only way that you get better is by you trying it. If it's wrong, that's okay. Then we know where to fix it and how to do a little bit better. But if we're not practicing, then it makes it really hard for us to get better and more independent with our work. Okay, so that's why if you ever see me waiting, it's not because I don't know what to do. It's because I want to make sure that I give you a chance. You'll remember from yesterday that I had said that we would be working with patterns on this last block down here at the bottom. Yesterday we were working with letters, weren't we? We had A, B, C was missing, D, G, J, M, P, S, V, Y, and this last one was blank because there were no more letters, right? And there were 2 letters that were missing in between each. That was our sequence. It was missing 2 letters each time. Well, today, as you can see, I've already written this out. 100, 90, 80, 60, 40, 20, and 0. So what's happening in this pattern? You're right, we're counting by tens. Are we going up by tens? Are we counting forward by tens? Are we counting backwards by tens? We're counting backwards. Sorry about that. So let's go ahead and fill in what's missing. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Okay? It is important that you're doing this. Okay? All of this should be filled in with your sheet. Okay. And lastly, let's look at money. I have 2 dimes and 2 nickels. So today I'm going to start by counting by tens because 10 is still more than 5. 10, 20. Now that I'm at 20, I'm going to continue counting by 5s. So 20, 25, 30. So how much money do I have? I have 30 cents. And our numbers today are 3, 9, and 12. 3, 9, and 12. So we need adding problems and we need subtracting problems. Let's start with adding over here on the side. It's great if you're writing these out here because the more practice you get, the easier it is for you. 3, 9, and 12. Those are the only numbers that I can use. So remember that I need to have my answer be 12. So I'll have 3 plus 9 is 12, and then reverse that order. 9 plus 3 is 12. That's your adding. Your answer has to be your largest number when you're adding. When you're subtracting, you're going to start with your largest number. So 12 minus 9 is 3, and now I just have to reverse it. 12 minus 3 is 9. Okay? That is all for today for this. We'll look for, hopefully, if it works correctly, we'll do a problem of the day together tomorrow at some point. So take this sheet for today, please, and put it back into your red folder so that you're ready for Wednesday. Red folder, so you're ready for Wednesday. Have a great day.